What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, or welcome to another video of Shayla's World. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. What are you doing? While you're at it, hit the like button and comment something nice in the comment section down below. And let's get straight into this video. So, you guys saw by the thumbnail, by the title, the only reason why you clicked on this video, I'm going to be taking out my 4-week-old knotless braids. They ain't been in for a while. They're just starting to frizz up at the roots. Like, they're not looking cute anymore. I know they're not looking cute, but I'm not going. I really wasn't going nowhere, so I really wasn't going to plan to take them out this soon. But I'm going to go ahead and take them out because my head's starting to itch. And then, like, they're starting to show in the braid. I don't think y'all can see, but this, where's it? Oh, here's one. Like, it's starting to show through the braid, and I don't really like that. I keep it in a ponytail or a bun during the day. But I'm going to have to go ahead and take these out so my hair can relax, so when I go to do my birthday hairstyle, that'll look good, wash, condition, all of that. So you guys, I'm about to do that. I'm going to be watching YouTube videos on my phone while I do that. So this video will be having background noises, music in the background. And I won't be doing too much talking. But what I'm going to be using to take down my braids is some oil. I don't know. I heard people say use oil to take down your braids. I don't know why. And I have just a spray bottle of water to help, because I know I have a little buildup to help, like, take it out. And then you gotta have scissors because I'm not taking this loose from the bottoms. Like, they were long. They're long. I think they're long. So I'm gonna cut probably right there because I know my hair stops somewhere on my chin, somewhere around there. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And let's get started. I'm starting at 8:35. Hold on, let's show. Whoa. 8:35. It is March 14th. It is a Sunday. So 8:35. Let's see how long it will take us. So let's get started.
Right. If you ever noticed that in this video, it'll clear up throughout the video, but had an allergic reaction. Really bad one. Really bad. Like 5 days ago. We're not gonna get into it because it's really fucking embarrassing. I know y'all smell that breath, so I'm gonna go ahead and get up. I'm so wishy-washy. I don't ever know if I should brush my teeth before I eat or after, but it really just depends on how bad.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
zu.
Yoga.
choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him, he just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to listen. My name is Ricky M, I'm on a sticky Benz. That means it's candy apple red, I'm Barbie, this was Ken. That is a 50 fact, I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is cause the day, kinda tell her, send me that. Feel love, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel love, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
6 million ways to die, choose one.
Right